Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Callisto Protocol game lagging, freezing, stuttering or low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements to play the game. So what you need to do is go to Epic Games and search for the game. After that, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, the next method is to add launch arguments. So for that, go to Epic Games. Now go to the library section where your game is installed. Click on the three dot icon, click on manage, and in the launch option you have to enable it and you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, again go to Epic Games. In the library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, now click on manage, and here you can see verify option. Simply click on verify and wait for some time unless the verification is done. And once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for a device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the file explorer, Epic Games. Now this is open the game folder. Now select the game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, uncheck all of this, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now after that, here you have to add your game to the list. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Now click on browse and after that go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it and click on end a task. This will completely close the app running in the background. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it as it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So antivirus program can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it before you launch the game and then try to play it and check if it's working now. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time. Now unless you get setup successful message. After that, close this and now restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom, and in the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, then you are suggested to reinstall the Callisto Protocol game. For that, go to the Epic Games. Now under library section, you have to select your game. Now here you have to click on 3-dot icon and you can see uninstall option. Simply click on uninstall. Now after uninstalling the game, it will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again go to the store option on Epic Games, search for the game and install it. And after installing it, again click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not, or you can play it or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.